Okay. Record.
I'm gonna do a little checklist stuff here too on that. Let go.
What, you want to do a demo to my parents?
No, I'm gonna do some calling.
Oh, okay.
You snap, I do. Oh! Flip!
You know, this grab's kind of a little dangerous.
Makes it interesting. Can't tell where you're going. Awesome! Whoa.
Ah!
An arm?
Yep.
Point! 5-5. My phone's going off. You like going to this, talking? Hello?
Hello!
Yeah? What can I do for you?
Take a day!
Alright, we've sucked the last 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Is jab good enough? You know, I push you out a lot.
oh, was I out?
If you notice, you're almost to your borderline. My butt's been skewered.
Hit my hand. Hit my thumb. Whoa! Whoa!
Ow!
Did I get you, or was that the bar stick?
That was the leg.
What was that? 6'5"?
6'5".
Whoa! Whoa! See if I can push you out now. Whoa! Lost
I
balance.
almost got your leg.
It is. Slipped by the pants.
What the hell was that? Adrenaline's gone. Let's get back. Ow!
No point, but I enjoyed it. They're a lot more fun than both ends.
Yes.
You're dead.
Oh, that was good.
Don't lose your grip.
Yeah.
This will teach us to keep running. Keep footing.
Oh shoot! I hit that and I slid.
I think you looked a little too far forward. What?
Yeah, where am I now? Whack, whack. Yep, I'm down.
So, let's see. Wonder if I should call my sister
What?
while we're doing this. Just for the hilarity of it.
The end.
Ah! Okay.
That would be a good blooper.
What kind of swing was that? It wouldn't have even punctured if you're doing that.
No.
Oh, got me.
Got my arm also. You got me right here.
Side point?
Yeah, sure.
What is that? 6, 7, 5, 6.
7-6.
No, I hit you on the ground.
Oh,
I'm
yeah, you're
eight.
counting that one, so. 8.
8, 6. Slipping count. Oh, that was hard enough. I like doing that better. What is that? Hold on, what's the score? 8, 7.
7-7?
8, 7, my point.
Yeah,
Ground.
you're 8.
Huh?
Yep.
Ooh.
Ah! That one. Yeah, that
You
was
got
one.
your electronics off of your body, right?
Yeah, phone's there. That's wallet and knife's the only thing. You missed everything. That was all me.
9, 7. You got 3 points. Whoa! Can't go out or unlock. Ah! Ah!
me. He was lifting.
I would have had you too. I was like, ah, what? Ah.
And the thing is, I did hit you hard enough.
All right, 9-8. My point.